All right, today I'm trying to replace a door on the pantry room, and the door is from the 70s. I don't like it. I got a new pre-hung door here. I got one problem though, this old frame. It's 5.25, actually 5.5 wide, and the new frames, they're always 4.5. 4.5, so we're an inch off. So I could either just replace this piece of wood, return the door, and just get a regular door without the frame and just replace this piece of wood here because it's cracked here and drill a new hole, or I can keep the frame and the door and replace the whole frame and then put an extension on it an inch wide. So I'm probably going to do that because I already got a door and it's quite heavy. That's a solid core. I don't feel like taking it back. It would have been cheaper just to take this wood off and replace this piece. I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to just rip this whole thing off. All right, so there we got that frame off, and you can see why it was wider. You had a true 2x4, and then you got the lath that they left there from the old lath and plaster, then they sheetrocked onto that lath. So that gives you another 1/2 inch or so. And then this part over here, they put sheetrock and plastered over the sheetrock, so that's a little thicker too. So there's that extra inch bigger than the standard 4.5. 5 3/4 almost, about right there. All right, so you can see it's a lot shorter. So I made some shims out of some 1x4s or 1x6s, mounted on the side like that. I'm gonna do it where this is not proud, because if it's proud, it looks funny. It needs to be kind of sunk in. I got some pieces here cut. And then it looks something like that. I think it'll work all right, just as long as I kind of countersink this in. Flush is okay, but I think if I leave a little reveal on it, it'll look a little better. All right, here's the door finished up, installed. I'm gonna put some great stuff, window and door. This is foam. I'm gonna put it in that crack there. It's kind of a big gap on one side. And there it is, that's my spacer that I put on. So when I put my trim on, it'll cover that up. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but I got it finished up. Again, I'll put some foam in a can all the way around, and then I'll put my trim on.